Hi everybody. I hope that you're doing well and that you are enjoying your distance learning and having a bit of time to be creative. I wanted to share with you my paper mache project. I found a recipe online at Spruce Crafts, and it's for paper mache paste, and all it calls for is some flour and water. I hope that you find this useful, and I would love to see any of the projects that you're working on. You can share them with me on your digital portfolio. I miss you so much, and take care. Don't forget to wash your hands. Ciao, ciao. Okay, so today we're going to do some paper mache, and I've made the paper mache paste that I've attached in the link, and then I've got just a brown paper bag that I saved from carry out, and I've torn it into strips about this size. I had a water bottle that I cut into 3 parts. So I cut here and then again here. The bottom part I made a nice little caddy for my sticky notes. And then the middle and top part, I tape them together so that I now have the piece that I'm going to paper mache. Okay, so let's get started. Hey guys, so I've finished covering the outside of my bottles, and I'm ready to start putting some paper on the inside. I'm not going to put any on the bottom because you're not going to see that, so it's not necessary. One of the things that I've made sure I did was, one, don't use too much glue. So when you're putting the glue on your paper, I like to just dip it in a little bit and then put some on the sides and then wipe it across the side of the bowl, okay? And then I apply it using kind of a crisscross pattern, and then just make sure that I smooth it so that it's not lumpy, okay? So I'm gonna finish paper macheing the inside, and then I'm gonna let it dry, and then I can paint it. And then I'll have my pencil holder. Hey everybody. So I've allowed my paper mache to dry for about 24 hours, and I'm ready to paint it now. What I was thinking is I would use patterns from the geometric designs of the Qatari or the Arabic patterns. They're very geometric, very simple, basic shapes. It's where I used to live before, and so I was thinking, oh, I can connect this with, my past. So as I'm looking through, these are some pictures that I took of different pieces that are in the museum, the National Museum that they just opened last year. And I really just love all of the triangles and these simple shapes. A lot of them were used in the camel trading to identify different owners. So I thought I'm gonna paint that on my piece of paper mache. Okay, so let me get my stuff together. Okay, so I've got all my stuff together. I've got my paint, I've got a little pot of water, I have a towel for blotting my brush, got a couple of different sizes of brushes, and I've used a Sharpie marker to draw my pattern onto my, draw my design onto my piece. Okay, so this is just to help me see where I want things to go. So let's get started.